So if your lane assist here suddenly just stop working, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here to fix this issue. So first is you want to make sure the system is turned on or and the conditions are met. So you want to go to your vehicle's driver assist settings and check that the lane assist or the lane keeping assist feature is enabled. Now some systems require a certain speed or visible lane markings to actually make it work. Now also, often the lane detecting camera, so usually behind the windshield or radar sensor at the front, is blocked by dirt, snow, or fog, or or even a replaced windshield without calibration. So you want to clean the area, ensure there's no obstruction. Now, also, if you're driving where lanes are faded, missing in construction, or you're going too slow, too fast, and the system may not engage, so make sure you're in a good lane marked road at a required speed. Now, also, you may want to turn off the vehicle, open the driver's door, wait for a minute here, and then restart. Now, in some cases, disconnecting the negative battery terminal for a few minutes can reset the module, so this may clear temporary errors. Now, also, if all fails here, have the system diagnostics done. Now, if the system still doesn't work, there could be a faulty camera, uncalibrated sensor, wiring issues, or a software defect. Now, a dealer or a qualified technician should run diagnostics to pull fault codes and inspect the lane assist module. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.